Alright guys, I got a 2003 G35 up on the lift, and I changed the down pipes right after the manifold. Eliminated these catalytic converters right here. Alright, so you got bolts here, 3 bolts on each side. They're tough to get to, but no problem. I'll show you how to do it, guys. Make sure you have extension like this one right here, long, that's like 3 feet. Then you need almost like a 2 feet. You need a number 13, 14, all right? That's what you need, all right? And make sure you have a small little mini torch. All right, very simple, guys. Let's go down here. Let me show you what I did. All right, so there we have the pipes right there, all right? And the customer bought his own pipes. So you're gonna have a little bracket here, which is not gonna go back on. You can put it on. I am gonna put it on, but I gotta take it off. That's the center bracket right there. All right, goes right there, but it won't attach to these, all right? Because that one attaches to both manifolds, both catalytic converters. All right, so this is 22. You remove this oxygen sensor, put it to the side. Remove this one, put it to the side. All right. If you have check engine light down the road, you could buy tubes, extend it, make it go far, so the sensor is reading less emission. All right, so you're gonna have a 13 here and a 13 here. The one on the top right there, they're probably 13 or 14, depending on how much they're rusted. But these came out pretty easy. I heated them really good. Got this one off, got this one off. That one on the top, on the driver's side right there, the one that goes on the top, I reached that up from the top with the long extension I have on the floor. But these right here, 1, 2, 3, bada bing, bada boom. All I did was I got them from back here. All right, even the top one, I got it from right here. Very easy, guys. And make sure you put the gaskets in there. Make sure you have a gasket here. All right, and if your Y pipe looks rusted right here, like this one, I took off right there. Looks really rusted right there from the joints. Replace it, guys. All right, while you at it, make sure you have the gasket in the center. All right, thrust washers are in there. Everything is locked down. It's good to go, guys. And make sure you tighten the oxygen sensors up really well. And this job should take you about 2 hours to do, no more than that. All right, sometimes those bolts will break. Even if they break, no problem, you could work some magic. If they do break by any chance, you might have to splice a little bit right there, but heat them so they don't break, guys. Because if they break and they stay behind on the manifold side, then you're in a little bit of trouble. But mine came out smooth. I heated them all up. And this little stud didn't want to come out. The new pipes does come with new bolts and nuts. So I reused it, no problem. Same thing over here. One didn't want to come out. I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to break it. I don't want to damage it, guys. So I left it as it is. All right, after that, we'll crank this up. It might sound a little louder, but there we have it, guys. It looks really nice from down here. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like all of my videos, guys. All right, guys. The top bolt on the driver's side, you can see it from right here, guys. My light's not gonna be, it's right there next to that pipe right there. Or not the pipe, the steering column. All right, but the long extension, you're gonna put it from right underneath right here. Perfect straight angle, all right? It was a number 13. I hammered it, tapped it with the hammer a little bit, and I turned it out completely, and it came right out. This one, since it's going to the pipe inside, even if it breaks, it's gonna go with the pipe. So don't worry about this one, all right? Same thing with the top one on this side. You could get it from here, but I got it from the bottom, which was very simple, guys, all right? So let's crank this bad boy up, all right? Let's see what it sounds like. It's probably not gonna be loud. It might be loud, but it is gonna give your car a lot of horsepower here, all right? So let me keep my e-brake on. Neutral, the key is out there. All right, you're gonna have to go out there. Let me go grab the key. It's hanging on the wall right there. It always happens. Keys outside and I'm inside. Press the clutch, brake, it's in neutral. There you go. Sounds good. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like all of my videos. Bye bye. Alright guys, there it is. Sounds mean. Hella mean.